Welcome, little learners. Today, we are going to learn 8 fun shapes. Can you find your favorite shape? Let's learn shapes together. Look. What shape do you see? A big, blue circle. Round and round it goes. What else is a circle? The ball, the sun, the tick-tock clock. They are all circles. Can you make a big circle with your finger? Great job! Here comes another shape, a big, blue square. A square has 4 equal sides. Look around. What else is square? The gift box and the toy box. Both are square. Can you make a big square with your finger? Down, across, up and back. Awesome! Look, here comes a triangle, a big yellow triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Look around. What else is a triangle? A yummy pizza slice. And a tall mountain peak. All triangle-shaped. Can you draw a triangle with your finger? 1, 2, and 3. Great job! Here comes our big green rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. 2 sides are long, and 2 sides are short. Look around. What else is a rectangle? A book, a TV screen, and a tall door. They are all rectangle-shaped. Can you draw a rectangle with your finger? Down, across, up, and back. Awesome! Here comes our big purple oval. An oval is round and stretched. Look around. What else is an oval? An egg. An oval-shaped mirror. They are all oval-shaped. Can you draw an oval with your finger? Around, around, and around. Great job! Wow! Look at this. A big orange diamond. A diamond has 4 sides. Its sides are slanted. Look around. What else is a diamond? A kite, a cookie, and a road sign. They are all diamond-shaped. Can you draw a diamond with your finger? Down, across, up and back. Awesome! Look who's here. A big yellow star. A star has 5 points. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look around. What else is a star? A smiling starfish. And a yummy star-shaped cookie. Can you draw a star with your finger? Good job! Guess what we found? A big pink heart. A heart has 2 round sides and a point at the bottom. Look around. What else is a heart? A heart balloon, a heart-shaped lollipop, and a heart plushie. They are all heart-shaped. Can you draw a heart with your finger? Awesome! Great job! We learned 8 new shapes today. What should we learn next? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram. Keep exploring more exciting new things with our learning app. Links are in the description below. See you next time.